Yeah, now it's visible.
Yes, we can see.
Okay, so let's quickly start. First, I just want you to understand what is the meaning of the term interview. Okay, what does it actually mean? So interview is mainly, it is nothing but it's a conversation. Okay, it's just a conversation between two people. Okay, and the person who is taking the interview is called the interviewer, and the person who is giving the interview is called the interviewee. Okay, so these are the terminologies that is going to be used for any interview process: interviewer and interviewee. So once you join any organization, you will be an interviewer after you join, right? Where questions are asked by the interviewer to obtain information from the interviewee. So the conversation that happens between two people, that is the interviewer and interviewee, okay, it is in order to attain the information from the interviewee. Okay, so that conversation is called an interview process. It's an interview. Okay, so in simple terms, this is the definition of interview. Okay, so interview means different things. The interview can stand for different things. For example, or even a reporter, okay, takes an interview for a celebrity, right? And you will, even when celebrities are being interviewed by the, you can say, the media people, it is still an interview, right? Whereas there are other conversations, that is a job interview, where people are looking for a job, and it is the interviewers who are taking the interview. So there are different kinds of interviews. Okay, maybe even for a celebrity it is called an interview, and even when people are giving job interviews, that is also an interview. So these are the types of interviews. Okay, now see, how can we take interviews? First, we can take a face-to-face interview. It is also called a personal interview. Okay, face-to-face interview is also called a personal interview. Okay, another type of interview is behavioral interview. So here we check, this is mainly for the managerial positions, okay, where behavioral interview is taken through online tests in order to check in certain given situations, how do people react or behave. Okay, that is called behavioral interview. So as I told you, it is mainly done for management, that is manager level and above. They will be given certain situations, and the interviewers check how do they behave in those kind of situations. So that is called a behavioral interview. And we have interview through phones, a telephonic interview or a phone interview. Okay, and we have a panel interview. Most of the times you would see a one-on-one interview, right? There's only one interviewer, but in certain cases you even have a panel of interview where 3 to 4 people or maybe 5 people are sitting across the table from different departments related to the specific role, and they are asking questions in order to gain information. Okay, so they are from different backgrounds and from different departments. So everybody will not be from HR department, everybody will not be from the concerned department, but they will be from different departments which is concerned with the role. Okay, for example, maybe a certain role involves his participation in different departments, maybe marketing also, maybe in accounts also. So if such roles arise in the organization, then different departments get involved. So that would be a panel interview. Okay, another type of interview is exit interview. So can you guess what would an exit interview be? Any wild guesses?
Before the completion of the interview.
Before completion of the interview. Okay, you want to say towards the end of the interview.
Towards the end of the interview.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? You would like to take a guess? Anything that you can relate to with our previous sessions?
Attrition.
Attritions,
When
right?
some
Yes, you're correct. You're correct. Because we've done this in our earlier session, right? In the employee life cycle, remember, what is the last portion of employee life cycle? Employee exit.
Exit.
Remember, employee exit,
Hmm.
employee attrition, right? So you are right. Exit interview means when a person is leaving the organization, the HR along with the department head may or may not be, but the HR will have to do this. Okay, we take the exit interview of the person leaving the organization. So either it's at the time of the resignation or it's on the last day of the employee. Okay, why do you think we need to take an exit interview? Okay, when somebody wants to join the organization, when you have open roles, obviously without an interview, you cannot take anyone, right? But what is the necessity of taking an exit interview?
To see what problem he or she is facing in an organization, so that they can do better and make the employees stay, other employees for other employees as well.
Make the necessary changes, right? So if any employee is leaving because of the manager, most of the employees leave because of manager problems, right? So if so exit interview is generally taken to understand the reason why the person is leaving, why the employee is leaving the organization. If it is for a better opportunity, something better than what the current employer is providing, then we cannot stop them, right? But if there is any reason because of the manager or because of any kind of misunderstanding with other employees or anything that can be corrected, okay, so they look out for a chance to do so and retain the employee in case he or she is a very good employee or a very good resource for the company, right? But if the employee is already problematic, then though the exit interview will be taken, but still they'll say, okay, bye. Okay, but in case he or she is a good resource, then they will try to retain. Okay, if it is because of salary, then sometimes salary negotiation is also done. Okay, if they're looking for a different role, then that is also done. Okay, so as Yangchin rightly said, it is to understand the reason why the person is leaving and if there is any chance for the organization to make a positive change. Okay, even for the employees who are staying back, who are still working for them, right? Okay, so the next type of interview is stress interview. Okay, so a lot of roles these days involve stress. Okay, especially target oriented jobs. Okay, especially leadership roles. Okay, yes, tell me. Shobna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because Yangchin's video is stuck and I can see Suman moving. Yeah, Yangchin's network problem now. This rain, no, like we'll face this quite often now. Yes, Yangchin. There was a network issue on your side.
Yes, the electricity went.
Okay, fine. So stress interview is generally done for high stress involving jobs, which is specially target oriented, which generally involves a leadership role, okay, wherein a person would have to manage different roles altogether. Even stress interviews are taken these days. So in stress interview, what is done is situations are given and they will ask, how will you handle this situation? So something like a behavioral interview. Okay, and technical interview. What do you think is a technical interview? Something like what I told you yesterday, skilled based interview screening, no, that we do. Right, skilled based screening that we spoke about yesterday. So technical interview is mainly the same kind of a thing. Okay, wherein we check on the basis of certain technical roles. Okay. So this is clear to you? Types of interviews. You have any questions? No? Okay. So here again, it is more in detail. What is a face-to-face interview? It is a traditional interview with the which is most common type, right? Face-to-face interview, also referred to as personal interview. It is a traditional interview, means the most commonly used method of interview. Okay, in this interview, the candidate and the interviewer meet face-to-face. That's why it is called a face-to-face interview. Okay, and the main concept of the interview is to build a rapport with the interviewer and show the qualifications will benefit their organization or not. So more, by building a rapport with the candidate, the interviewer tries to get maximum information from the candidate. Okay, during a face-to-face round of interviews. So that is why even if telephonic round of interviews are conducted, most of the employers prefer candidates to come and meet them face-to-face. Right? There are a lot of advantages. You get to see the person, you get to check on the body language, you get to check on the reactions to different statements, right? You can probe, you can take longer time to understand the other person, right? So that's why this is the most preferred type of interview. Okay, so the interviewee should maintain eye contact and respond to all questions of the interviewer. So it is preferred, as I told you, HRs are very, very equipped in studying the body language of people, right? How many of you are good at it? Do you study the body language of people? Suman, do you? Some people have this talent, no?
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
so
important nowadays.
sorry, it's important, correct. And being an HR, you will be so used to it. Even if when you're not taking interviews, you generally tend to do it. Okay, not like judging, but then, you keep observing the body language of people, right? So you get so much into your job habit, you can say. Okay. So yeah, understanding and body language is very important while taking an interview. So this slide we finished. Yeah. So the second type is behavioral interview. I already explained to you. These are indicators. So we check for indicators by giving certain situations and check on how they behave when certain situations are given to them. So generally it is for the management and senior management people. Okay. Okay, so what are the type of questions you can ask during a behavioral interview? Tell me about a project you worked on where the requirements changed midstream. What did you do? As I told you, situational, right? So here we give situations. So in this kind of a project, what did you do? Okay, so tell me about a time when you took the lead on a project. So again, here a situation, they have to describe that. Right. So describe the worst project you worked on. So this is, mainly taken for the very skilled kind of roles, okay, wherein you're expected to understand how he or she is going to deal with certain situations. So another example is describe a time you had to work with someone you didn't like. Because in an organization, you will not have people who are going to like you. Everybody is not going to like you, right? And you are not going to like everyone. So how did you deal with such a situation and what did you do about it? So these are all situational, right? So give us an example of something particularly innovative that you have done that made a difference in the workplace. So most of the employers look for people who are innovative, who are, come up with initiatives, right? So this is the kind of question they ask people in order to understand how innovative, how creative, or how much initiatives do they take, or are they just a the manager needs to tell them what to do, only then they perform their duties. Okay, so they check with all these kind of questions. Okay, phone interviews. So telephonic interviews, we all know it is through a phone, okay, wherein we ask questions, but generally it does not yield much information. Okay, and it generally leads to a follow-up face-to-face interview, because telephonic interview, how long can you talk to any person, right? So you just ask brief questions, you get answers, and it is generally followed up by a face-to-face round of interview. Okay, what is a panel interview? Panel means a selection committee that is appointed for interviewing a candidate. So panel is a selection committee that is appointed for interviewing the candidate. Panel may include 3 to 5 members. Okay, questions are asked to candidates about different aspects, and marks are given to the candidate. So on different aspects, because panel will have to come in from different backgrounds and departments. Okay, final decision is a joint decision. It's a collective decision from the entire members of the panel. Okay. Exit interview, we already discussed. When an employee leaves the company, he is interviewed either by the immediate supervisor, superior, or by the HRD manager, human resource department manager. This interview is called an exit interview when an employee is leaving the company. So exit interview is taken to find out why the employee is leaving the company. And exit interviews are taken to create a good image of the company in the minds of employees who are leaving the company. Okay, so that they leave on a good note. Okay, stress interview. The interview attempts to find how applicants would respond to aggressive, embarrassing, rude, and insulting questions. Okay, so we put them in a lot of stress and just check how they are going to respond to the stressful questions, how they are going to react to such situations. A stress interview allows interviewers to see how well you work under pressure. So again, it depends from role to role. It is not done for all the roles. Okay, it is done only for certain roles to check on how they are going to behave. The stress interview means being asked more than one question at a time. Okay, they bombard with questions one after the other. And sometimes they don't even let you finish the answer. Okay, being asked further questions without being allowed adequate time to respond. Being questioned in an interrogatory tone and voice. So interrogatory, I'm sure Suman would be more acquainted with this term, right? So you keep on interrupting, you keep on cross-questioning that person. Right, Suman?
Yes, ma'am.
So having his feelings provoked. Okay, so you provoke his feelings to see how much he can stretch.
Yes.
Okay, so that is a stress interview. Okay. Yanchin is gone. I think her network went off. You were just talking about Darjeeling being a good competition class. And then she must be thinking, ma'am just mentioned it and then. Okay. I'm stuck in this slide. Where is it? Yanshin, my Wi-Fi is not working. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, need for the interview. Just log out, both of you, for a minute and then just log in.